Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get Marvel Powers United on Oculus Quest 3 without a PC. Unfortunately, Marvel Powers United VR is a PC virtual reality exclusive game, meaning it requires a powerful gaming computer to run. It was designed for the Oculus Rift, a PC-tethered headset. The Quest 3 is a standalone device, and this particular title cannot be directly installed or played on it without a personal computer. To understand why a PC is necessary, consider how PC virtual reality games function. These titles leverage the immense processing power of a high-end gaming computer, especially its graphics card, to render complex virtual worlds. The game itself runs on the computer, which then streams the visual and audio data wirelessly or via a cable to your Quest 3 headset. Your Quest 3 essentially becomes a high-tech. Moving to the pen torque, you'll find a reel built for extreme conditions. It features a fully machined and anodized aluminum body and side plates, offering enhanced rigidity and corrosion resistance. The sealed DuraDrag system provides virtually hesitation-free performance, even under heavy loads. With 6 shielded stainless steel ball bearings, it delivers incredibly smooth operation. Many torque models are proudly made in the USA, reflecting their high-end construction. If you do have access to a gaming PC, you can still play Marvel Powers United VR on your Quest 3. This involves using PC virtual reality streaming solutions, such as Meta Quest Link, either wired or wirelessly, or a third-party application, like Virtual Desktop. These methods allow your Quest 3 to connect to your computer and stream the PC virtual reality game, effectively turning your standalone headset into a PC virtual reality display.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.